really know how to use your iPad? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your iPad and get the most out of it. Let's start with widgets. I like to keep my most used apps and info on my home screen, like my calendar, date, and weather. This helps me quickly check my day when I wake up, including emails, events, and my schedule. Adding widgets is really simple. Press and hold anywhere on the home screen, tap Edit, and add the widgets you want. You'll see options from the apps you use most, and you can pick the ones that work best for you. Swipe left or right to choose a widget size, then drag it wherever you want. You can also resize it by dragging the corner or stack multiple widgets together to save space. Next, let's set up the dock. I keep all of my most used apps in the app library in my dock. No matter what screen I'm on, I can tap it to quickly find the apps I use most. To turn this on, go to Settings, tap Home Screen and App Library, and enable Show App Library in Dock. Now, what if you want different iPad setups for different parts of your day? First, open Settings and go to Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner, choose Custom, and name your new focus. You could create one for work, game, video, whatever fits your routine. Next, choose which people and apps are allowed to send you notifications. For example, in Work Focus, I only allow messages and mute everything else. That way I have fewer distractions. Then scroll down, choose the wallpaper and home screen pages you set up for that focus, and you're all set. Next, open the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut. Search for Set Focus, change the default setting from off to on, and choose the focus you just created. Then go back to your home screen, press and hold, and add a widget. Search for shortcuts and add the focus shortcuts you created to your home screen. Now, all it takes is one tap, and your entire iPad setup will automatically switch to the right mode. So once I know what I need to work on, editing, for example, I can tap once and instantly switch to my editing setup. Here's another quick trick that can help you organize your iPad home screen much faster. If you're still moving your apps one at a time, try this instead. Press and hold an app icon, move it slightly, and then use your other hand to tap the other apps you want to move. Now you can move all of them to another home screen page at the same time. Plus, this trick doesn't just work with apps. You can use it to organize your photos too. Just press and hold a photo, move it slightly, and tap more photos with another finger to add them. Then drag them all into another app together. Now, if you use a stylus, there are a few more tricks you should know. The stylus I'm using today is the ESR Geo Digital Pencil. It supports the iPad features shown in this video, just like an Apple Pencil. You can write directly inside almost any search bar, and your handwriting will automatically be converted into typed text. If two words are joined together, draw a vertical line between them to add a space. And if you want to delete something, simply scribble over it. When your iPad is locked, you can double tap the screen with your stylus to instantly open notes. That makes it easy to write down an idea or take a quick note whenever inspiration hits. To enable this feature, open Settings, tap Notes, and then tap Access Notes from Lock Screen. Choose Always Create New Note. And that's it for today's iPad tips. Give them a try and see how much more productive you can be with your iPad. And if you know any other useful iPad productivity tips, drop them in the comments and share them with everyone. See you next time.